In this video, I am explaining about how to draw site plan using in AutoCAD. You can learn AutoCAD with me using easy steps. In this video, I am using AutoCAD 2020 in my tutorial. You can use any AutoCAD version you have draw the site plan. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. I post new videos every day covering tech reviews, lifestyle vlogs, and education tutorials. Site plan is very important part of any civil engineering drawing. It derive where is your engineering design and its location in real ground. It has scale, boundary lines, north symbol and details of proposed building and its services. In the description of site plan included scale, survey plan details such as number, date, ground area or land area and building covering area and details of water and other service supply. We can label all of the parts after the draw correctly using following steps. There is two methods to draw site plan. First one is you can measure one side in real site in your site visit and scale that side using AutoCAD, but that is less accuracy method. Other best and correct. Our second method is scale site plan using survey plan or map by area. I mention it linear and area scale method. However, site plan has a different scale. Compare with plan, front and side elevations, sections, foundation details, and detail table. In this drawing, I pepper the site plan 1 into 1000 scale, and it again scale 1 into 96 to take printout in A1 size paper. First of all, we need understand what is the correct survey plan. We need details, correct boundary, access roads, landmarks, north direction, and important thing is area, because if we scale using site plan to the correct area. In this drawing, this is our land area and this is access road. Right side show the north symbol and description of the keywords. In this survey map show the area as 12 perch. It is mentioned in the land area. Now we need to import this survey map into our AutoCAD drawing. It has several methods. In new version of CAD you can easily copy and paste. I am using rafter image to take my survey plan to import to AutoCAD drawing. It's suitable all of AutoCAD versions in currently using. Go to and click Insert and click Rafter Image Reference. Then you have select your survey plan. It must be a scanned copy of original survey plan. Then you have to given a point for locate your survey plan. There is no need worry about scale or other factor. It should be locate in free space of your AutoCAD model. Then I rotate the imported image to north direction to upside of the AutoCAD model. It is not necessary but it easy to my future work. Then I rotate it using rotate command by using rotate icon. Then go to move command M, type and press enter or click move icon in the icon bar. Then I use the polyline to draw lines on my survey map, and I need the blueprint of my imported survey map. All the necessary lines such as boundaries, roads, drains and other landmarks and I draw using polyline. Important point is north direction also should be draw according to the map, like this. After that, I move my image. If you draw all the lines you can delete also that image, but I move it to the right side of my AutoCAD model. Then I check the units, go unit command, type UN and enter. Then I change it as you saw, then press apply and OK buttons. Then go to area command, type AA and press enter and select area of my survey plan. After the select all point, press enter again. You can saw the area of plan is 20,562.67 square feet in within bracket in command bar. Then I am going to find the liner scale factor and scale it to drawing will be area of 12 perch. 1 perch equals to 272.25 square feet. I use this Excel sheet to calculate. This should be understood to draw correct site plan. I copy 20,562.67 square feet of my current area as a drawing area X. That divided by 275.25 for measure my current drawing area by perch. It gives 75.4593 perch. It's mean my drawing area longer than actual site area. Then I copy drawing area and past here. Below value is 12 times 272.25. It's give numbers of square feet in 12 perch. Then I find the area scale factor by real area / drawing area. It's 0.1588. Then find the square root of area scale factor. It is the linear scale factor of this drawing. Linear scale factor is 0.3986. Then, I again go to AutoCAD and scale my drawn site map by using linear scale factor. I move north point near to my land and go to scale using scale icon or type SC and press enter key. Then, select the object and give the specify scale point. Then give my founded valve of linear scale facer 0.3986 as the scale factor. Now I finish draw my site map and check the area again. Again go to area command type AA and hit the enter. Then select the area and hit the enter. Now area of site plan is 12 peach it equals 3,267 square feet. Then you saw my drawn survey map by polyline, and I am going to rotate to correct north and measure area of my drawing. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. I post new videos every day covering tech reviews, lifestyle vlogs, and education tutorials. I switch on the ortho mode by press F8 and draw the perpendicular line to north. Then, I rotate my drawn north to real north. You can see my red color line y-axis. I rotate site plan reference that line. Okay, now I complete my site plan drawing. This site plan is 1:1 scale real size drawing. You can again scale it according to your print paper size. Then I need to put my proposed house to this site plan. I draw boundary of my house ground floor, walls and verandas separately. Then it move and rotate to the site plan. Building line, side space and rear space should be the municipal council's rules and regulations. Then you can label it, considering with printing scale. You can copy and paste your provisor's drawing or put it as block. I remember you please, font and dimensions should be compare with printing scale. This is my site plan drawing tutorial in architectural drawing using feet and inches. I will be doing again new video with metric unit. Also, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you and it helps me know what kind of content you'd like to see more of.
ඔබට ඉංජිනේරු තාක්ෂණවේදය සහ විද්‍යාව ඉගෙන ගැනීමට අවශ්‍ය නම් මෙම channel එක subscribe කරන්න. bell icon එක click කිරීමෙන් දිනපතා අප එක් කරන පාඩම් හා සම්බන්ධ විය හැක. You learn engineering and science, you are in the right channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon and never miss the update from us.